Hi there, this is Sufi from Get Data Solution. Welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we will deal with reporting dashboard. Here is the production side of the product, and these are the products. We may have many products depending on our business model. Here is the sales side. So we'll deal with this reporting dashboard, both the production and the sales side of it. Coming to the channel overall dedication, this channel is dedicated to creating dashboard and other data management tools. The users are institutions or organizations or business people as well as individuals. The purpose of this channel, Get Data Solution, is to modernize data system, save time, generate automatic report, and reduce cost. So those are the major purpose of this channel. Coming to today's topic, which is the reporting dashboard 2. This is the second reporting dashboard, and the top heading will just have a report dashboard and the name of organization and the KPI. Just below that, we have different slicers by physical year, by branch, by product name and month. And the dashboard shows production and sales. Here is the production, and the next one is the sales values. We have a sales values as well in terms of the total value sold from those products. We have sales values by product type and sales values by branch. I'll come to this dashboard later on in detail, and in general we have this beautiful dashboard. This is the second dashboard. The slashers are the same: physical year, branch, product name, and month. This shows a trend analysis over the time period. For example, this is the production and the sales over the months, the first month and the second month, the sales as well as on the first month and the second month, and the production and the sales trend in a given year or over the years. And the last one is sales values in terms of monetary value over a given years. So this is the second dashboard that tracks trend analysis. Coming to the content, this is database to track production and sales of a company. The data entry required in this for this particular case, we have to insert the data into the system. The first one is the physical year, the month and the branch, the product name, production data, sales data, sales price to be set depending on the product we have, and price in the market. Then sales values, which will be automatically calculated. In terms of the report, it generates reporting in dashboard. We have the following in the dashboard: as a report. The first one is production and sales, sales values, sales values by product, and sales values by branch. So the dashboard shows all these things. In terms of purpose, this is to effectively follow up company production and sales, to visualize production and sales performance, and to save time for report preparation, automatically generate report, which will have a ready-made report at all times, sales comparison by product and by branch. We can just make a comparison between different products and between branches, and so that we can know where should we focus in the production or sales for product as well as for the branches. To make informed decision, for example, where we need to change a product or introduce a new product based on our data, increasing product with high demand or dropping products that are not demanded, or to support branches based on production and sales performance. So those are some of the information we get from this dashboard to make informed decision. For whom this is recommended? For companies who are involved in production and sales of any good and products. This is data entry page. Just before we enter our data, we have to set prices, and we have to just set our products. In this particular case, for example, we have 4 products: mobile, camera, watch, and laptop. We have set price for each product. Then we'll fill this data: the physical year, the month, branch, and product name, then production, then sales, and the last one, the unit price, will actually calculate from the price we set earlier, and the product sales values will be automatically calculated from the system. So those are populated automatically. So we'll have this dashboard finally, where we have the heading, the name of organization, and the KPI. We have slicers. We have, in this particular case, we have 4 slicers. The first slicer is by physical year. We can see the data by physical year, by branch, by product name, and by month. So the dashboard shows us the detailed performance by all this. We can see the data by the structure we want to see, for example, by physically, by branch, by product name, or by month, so that we can actually know and the information, and we know the trend as well as just make informed decision. So the first one is product and production and sales. This is the production data. In this particular case, for example, 235. This is the sales data, 192. The second one is sales values in terms of the volume of, the value of sales. This, for example, is over 2.8 million. So in general, we have this beautiful dashboard. We can also see sales by products. For example, laptop 42%, camera 39%, mobile 11%, and so on. We can also see sales values by branch. For example, Sabata branch 40% have 40% contribution. Agagi 33% contributions of all the sales. Bole 17%, and so on. In terms of trend analysis, we have the following data and the dashboard. In terms of production and sales, the production is 70 units here, and the first month, and the second month 165. The sales 55 in the first month and 137 in the second month. Production and the sales by year here 235 and 192 respectively. Production and sales. We have sales values for over the 2 months. The sales value on the first month is 832,000 and the second is 1.9 million. So this is a very effective system to track production and sales data. It also save times and it will generate automatic reports. So this is a very recommendable dashboard for business people and organizations as well. Thank you, and use this template for your company production and sales tracking system. We recommend this for big, medium, and small companies or for business entities. And thank you again, and subscribe to Get Data Solution. And bye bye.